Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings, here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Snapchat and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.